This is lab 2 for ECE 4370 mechatronics. Our task today was to display a message. It's kind of like a recipe, and then have a counting down aspect to the entire lab or a part of a lab. Just have the 7-segment working in some kind of way. Our recipe is how to make a PB&J. It counts down through every step. Before I show you that, we had a little bit of trouble here. Whenever we were connecting our LCD, last week we had digital 7 through 12 connected to the LCD, and we had to kind of learn how to use other pins for the LCD. So if you come over here and look at the code up here, all we really had to change were these pins, and they had to correspond to these 7 through 12 on here. If you look right here, we've got them connected over here. Those are the LCD pins. And then we had a little bit of trouble finding PB7 through PB0 on the Atmega board, but we finally got the pin diagram and whatnot working. And then let's restart the code so we can watch it from start to finish. All right, so there we go. You see that? Counts down from 8 seconds for the starting message, and then every step it counts down from 5 seconds after that. Get the peanut butter, put it on the bread, get jelly, put it on the bread, combine the bread, and then you can finally eat the PB&J, and you get a little 5-second countdown to eat it, and then you start back over. Hope you're hungry by then. Here's how we done the countdown. So I had an array of 10 binary numbers. Each of these corresponds to, this is 0 on the 7-segment, 1 on the 7-segment, so on all the way up to 9. We don't ever use 9 in this lab, but all the other numbers are used. And then in the actual code for the setup, we just had to set port B, all pins as output. And then we used a decrementing for loop. I actually messed up the code a while ago whenever we were testing this out. I had I++, which was incrementing, but since we were starting at 7, it was trying to put like 10 and 11 on the 1-digit 7-segment, which wasn't working. So we finally found that. It's a decrementing for loop for this one. It's from 8 to 0. So starting at 7, which this array at the 7th index is actually 8 on the 7-segment right there. And then you decrement, you put the correct number on the display, you wait a second, and then you go back up all the way until I is below 0. So it will show 0 as well that way. And then we do that for 8 seconds on the starting message, and then we do that for 5 seconds for all of the other 6 steps. And that is our code and project. Thank you very much.